In the dawn of time, when creation began, a message written from God to man upon a scroll with words of light to guide humanity through darkest night. From heaven's high, the scroll descended, to the chosen one, its path extended. With trembling hands, the first one read the sacred words that God had said. Across wilderness and seas, battling vipers and hypocrites, the messenger embarked, with heart aflame, sharing the message in God's own name. From one to many, the assembly grew, over a dozen, more than a few, new messengers with faith unshaken, carried the scroll though earth be shaken. Through wars and floods, through fire and plagues, the truth of God could not be swayed. Though empires rise and kingdoms fall, the message stands defying all. And now, through winds and storms, our messenger comes to the house of Petra, to the people of God. At the conference of rains, the heavens to open, the rivers to overflow, waters invade thy soul. O sons, O daughters, blow the horns, raise the banners, sound the drums. The rains are here, do come prepared. The truth of God to us retold. Avail yourself to not be told.